All right, wanted to show off 3 different popular floor fans. These are the utility fans often used to like dry out a room, but they really put out a lot of directional air, and I thought it would be helpful just to show you 3 of them and compare them side by side. So the green one and the black one are both made by X-Power. These are the X-Power Mini Mighty series. The green one is the X-Power P230 AT Mini Mighty. The black one is the X-Power P80A Mini Mighty. And then the yellow one over here is made by DEWALT. And I do want to turn them on and let you see them in action, but I left this one with the cord wrapped around it, so that's very handy. You'll notice they have big heavy duty cords. They also have circuit breakers built in. So let's talk about some of the differences. The green one here, the Mini Mighty, it is 925 CFM, so that's a rating to talk about how much wind they're actually moving, how much air they're moving. The black one is 600, so both by the same brand, but again, the green one is going to be more powerful than the black one. The green one also has a timer on it, so if you want to, I'll just go ahead and turn it on. That's low power, but I can turn this timer on and have it shut itself off, or I can just leave it in on position. So that's second speed there and third speed. And when you got it in high speed, I mean, it's really putting out a lot of directional air. You'll notice too, these come with electrical outlets on the side of them. They all have that. The DEWALT one has 2 plugs on it as well. The DEWALT one, as far as power goes, is more comparable with the black one. So it's 600 CFM, 600 CFM, 925 CFM. So we're going to turn the DEWALT one on. They also operate fairly quietly. So that's high speed right there, and you can hear the noise level. It's not too bad. Again, a lot of directional air. The thing about these fans is they are made to where you can tilt them in different directions. So it can be operated like that, or I can tilt it up at a 45-degree angle. Same thing with these. They can be tilted up if you want to do so. So 3 popular options that get great reviews. I hope that